All right, we got Ben here. We actually just finished up a lawn here in his backyard. Ben, why did you choose Paradise Greens?
Not being from the area and never having dealt with artificial grass, I had to do a lot of research, and Paradise Greens kept coming to the top as far as their designs, their customer service, just their reviews in general. And so, after reaching out to multiple different companies, Paradise Greens they were constantly answering questions, going above and beyond, especially Bobby. And so, at the end of the day, they were just the best choice for me and my family.
Perfect. Sounds like the design process went pretty smooth. Is that right?
It went great. Before we actually moved here, these walls were not up, and Paradise Greens was out here just to measure and kind of help us get an idea of what we could and could not do. And we actually changed our mind multiple times as far as what we wanted as design, and they were always flexible and always willing to go above and beyond. And at the end of the day, we got exactly what we wanted.
Perfect. And last but not least, how was the actual installation process? How did these guys do?
The crew was amazing. They were punctual. They were here when they said they would be here. They worked hard. I was home during the entire process, and I never saw them not working. And I came out multiple times to ask questions, and they were always able to answer and happy to stop what they were doing and help me, just so I understood the process and what was happening. So, amazing crew.
Perfect, man. Thanks so much for choosing Paradise Greens.
Thank you, guys.